In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify to Wix. The process is all about merging the robust e-commerce capabilities of Shopify with the customizable design flair of Wix, creating an optimal online shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive into each step. To get started, you'll want to open your Shopify admin. This is your command center for all things Shopify. Here, navigate over to the Sales Channels section and select Buy button. This feature is incredibly handy, as it allows you to create a purchase button for any product or collection that you have available in your Shopify store. Once you've created your desired Buy button, you'll be provided with a piece of embed code. This code is essential as it serves as the bridge between your Shopify store and your Wix website. With your Shopify embed code in hand, it's time to head over to your Wix editor. Think of Wix editor as a creative sandbox where you can play around with the layout and design of your website. Within the editor, you'll want to click on the plus symbol, commonly referred to as Add or Plus, which will open up a variety of options to enrich your web page. From this menu, navigate to More and then select HTML code. This allows you to add an HTML widget to your Wix site. Once your HTML widget is on the page, click on Enter Code. This is where you're going to paste the embed code you copied from Shopify. After you've pasted the code, click Update. This action will link the two platforms and display the Shopify elements on your Wix site. Now comes the part where you might need to adjust how things look. Resize the widget as necessary, especially if your Shopify embed includes a shopping cart. This ensures that everything fits beautifully on your page and that the customer experience is seamless. Here's a practical tip. If you find yourself wanting to embed multiple products, you might want to consider embedding a collection instead of individual buy buttons. The advantage of embedding a whole collection is that you will avoid having separate shopping carts for each product. This not only streamlines your design, but also simplifies the purchasing process for your customers, keeping everything under one cart, which is a much smoother experience. By following these steps, you've effectively combined the powerful features of Shopify with the versatile design capabilities of Wix. Your online store is now set to offer both aesthetic appeal and functional utility, providing a streamlined shopping experience that your customers will appreciate. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy your newly integrated Shopify and Wix site.